This tutorial is for 5th grade, Module 2, Lesson 17. The directions say estimate the quotient for the following problems and round the divisor first. My original problem was 609 divided by 21. 21 is the divisor, 609 is the dividend. I rounded 21 to 20. I'm going to think of 21 as the same as 10 times 2. When I round my dividend, I want to make sure that it is a multiple of 2 and 10, so I will not have a remainder when I do my division. Since I could divide 600 by 10 and get an answer of 60, I know I can take that and divide it by 2 to get a final answer of 30. Let's look at another example. Again, I'm going to round my divisor first, so 29 rounds to 30, and I can think of 30 as 10 times 3. I want to round my 913 into a number that I know that 3 and 10 also go into. If I change 913 to 900, I can divide 900 by 10 and get 90, and then divide 90 by 3 for an answer of 30. For the next problem, I have 826 divided by 37. I'm going to round 37 to 40, thinking of that as 10 times 4. Then 826, I could round to 800, because 800 divided by 10 would be 80, and then 80 divided by 4, well, I can think of that as 8 divided by 4 is 2, and since it's 8 tenths divided by 4, it would be 2 tenths, which means my estimated answer is 20. We'll continue with this mental math in the next section. Here I have 141 divided by 73. I'm going to round 73 to 70. Now if I think of my multiples of 7 or multiples of 70, I can skip count by 70s. 70, 140, 210, 280, and so on. I noticed that 141 is very close to 140. That means I can divide 140 by 70 and get an answer of 2 with no remainder. And in the next problem, I have 482 divided by 62. I'll round 62 to 60. I'll think of my multiples of 60. 60, 120, 180, 240, 300, 360, 420, 480 is close to 482. And again, I can think 48 divided by 6 would be 8. So 48 tens divided by 6 tens would also be 8. Let's look at one more section. Here I have 656 divided by 81. 81 is going to round to 80. I'm going to think of my multiples of 80 that are close to 656. Well, I know if I take 8 times 80, that would give me 640. 9 times 80 would be 720. So 640 is the closest to 656. And now 640 divided by 80 is 8. Here I have 799 divided by 99. 99 rounds to 100. And I know, thinking in terms of my multiples of 100, that is very close to 800. 800 divided by 100 would be 8. There are 8 groups of 100 in 800. In our last problem, 95, I'll round to 100. The closest 100 in 635 would be 600. If I divide 600 into groups of 100, I know that I have 6 equal groups of 100. So again, we're using our multiplication facts and mental math number patterns to determine our estimated quotients when dividing by larger numbers.